Don't have time to read or reply your emails? Snooze them. You know this thing where you get an important email and you need to reply, but then you're not just in the right position to reply. Probably you're busy or something. You're just like, don't worry, I'll just check it later. And you forget. And you say to yourself, if only I could get this email later. Can I get this email later? Well, if you're a Gmail user, you can get your email later, and that's what I'll be showing you in today's video. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already. Thanks. So step 1, make sure you have the Gmail Android app. So non-Gmail guys, we'll see you in a bit. And step 2, open a particular mail you want to snooze, and then tap on the 3 vertical dots on the top right corner of the screen and tap snooze. So you can choose maybe later today, this weekend, tomorrow, next week, the last time you chose, or you can select a custom date and time to receive the email. So say I want to get back this email today and probably custom and say, let's make it like in the next 2 minutes or so, and then okay. And save. If you want to snooze more than one email at a time, instead of clicking on each email and then snoozing, you can just open the screen where you see the emails you want to snooze. It could be your default screen of primary emails or send, start, or any other screen which lists your email. Now tap and hold the emails you want to snooze, 1, 2, 3, and then hit the 3 vertical dots on this corner and snooze. And then you can just select whatever time and date you want and all that. Custom. Bye. Okay. And save. So when you are done with all that, you would actually see a new label called snooze right here. And you can just see like all the emails snoozed until whatever time that you set it for. Now let's see if this actually works. So I just got back my snoozed emails like they're fresh emails. So see 1 here, 2, 3, and 4. So yeah. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our updates. So that's it for today. Bye for now. See you in the next video.